Greetings and welcome to a ramble with me. We are looking at the department's paper 1 from November 2023, question 7.3. For which values of x will the tangent to f of x is equal to negative 2x cubed plus 8x have a positive gradient? So, just jab in the dark. This is a cubic graph that potentially looks, something like that. Right, and we're looking for the places where the tangent, the values of x for which the tangent to this curve will have a positive gradient. So we are interested in really this part of the graph, right? The parts of the graph where the curve is increasing. Yeah, because if you pick any point on that trajectory, your tangent is looking something like that or like that. But if you pick a point here, then your tangent is looking downward, or like here, etc. So we are looking for the places where the first derivative of f is positive. So let's find what that first derivative is. It is negative 6x squared plus 8. Okay. Wow. And that in turn is represented by what is happening? A parabola, and that is looking downwards, maybe something like that, right? And it is positive in this little interval, so this is where f prime is giving us positive values, and these are the x values that are producing those positive f values. values everywhere, right? So we want to figure out, okay, where is negative 6x squared plus 8 equal to 0, so that we can figure out what those guys are. So that is negative 6x squared is equal to negative 8. So x squared is equal to 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3. So x is equal to plus or minus root 4 over 3, which is plus or minus 2 over root 3. And just for the sake of rationalizing denominators, this is the same as this. Right, so this is negative 2 root 3 over 3. And this is positive 2 root 3 over 3. Right, so when x when x is between negative 2 root 3 over 3 and positive 2 root 3 over 3, that is where we have f prime giving us positive values. We're not including these because when x is equal to either of them, then f prime gives us 0, which is not what we want. We want strictly greater than 0. So this is our solution set, right? So what is this saying? This is saying that when x is between these two, this is where we have our graph having positive tangents, positive gradient tangent. Yeah. Good point to talk to the memo. The memo. 7.3. Right, good and well. They didn't even rationalize. Ugh, man. But that's that on that. Cool. Cheers.